So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, under output, you want to make sure that your speakers have been selected, your correct speakers. Now once you've done that, you want to scroll down again and then click on more sound settings. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that under playback, you have your speakers also selected as a default device, which will then make the green tick appear. So you want to select your speakers and then click on set default. Then this green tick should appear right here. And now you want to double click on your device. And then you want to click on advanced. Now once you're on this, under exclusive mode, you want to make sure that both of these have been ticked. And now you want to set your quality to at least CD quality if you have that. And if you have DVD quality, which is even better, you want to set it to that. And then you want to click on OK. And then click on yes. Now we're going to click on OK again. Now on the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to select the speakers icon. And then click on this. And you want to make sure the correct output device has been selected. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to expand audio inputs and outputs. And then you want to find your headphones. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. If your headset comes with a software like my one does, I've got the G432 and I'm using Logitech G Hub, you want to click on it and then head over to settings and make sure that the firmware or the drivers are up to date. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.